Hello, today we are looking at the 2004 Glastron GX-205. Got a really nice trailer, dual axles, pull really easy, spare tire for you. Really clean boat, really clean for a 04. Ladder back here. Got the Volvo Penta 5-liter GXI. Minn Kota fish finder, sorry. Trolling motor. Spot up in here. Good bow, 10-person capacity. Come up inside the boat. GX-205 SF. Ski and fish. Here we are inside, roughly 400 hours on the engine. There's no meter, that's a guesstimate. You see all the seats are real nice and clean. No rips in the upholstery. These seats are going to come out, be your pedestal seats for some fishing. Got all your gauges. Storage under here so you can keep your skis in the ski locker. It's got a filler that goes in here and the seat goes on it. Gauges for your trolling motor. Bimini. And it's got a full cover, and it also comes with a mooring cover as well, which I got right down there. Thanks for taking a look.